Hi guys, it's Lana here. Welcome back to Lana's Summertime. So in today's video, I decided to embark on a journey to turn myself red. Red is the colour of Christmas in my opinion. It's the most festive colour, it's the most passionate colour, and that's what I want to be today. I tried to come up with a kind of like cottage core outfit today, but I think I'm just kind of looking like a bit like a Oompa Loompa. Wait, an Oompa Loompa is somebody who works in a chocolate factory. What I mean is an elf. I look like a Christmas elf, right? I work in a toy shop. Make sure you like this video if you like this kind of video. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications so you don't miss more of my videos in future. Let's crack on. I have got a whole bunch of makeup with me right here. I think I'm gonna have to do my hair first because I am using the hair paint waxes and I don't exactly know how the color is gonna turn out. So it will be easier for me to match the makeup to the hair than vice versa. I have the Mofajang hair paint waxes. I actually have them in red and in orange for this video. I picked up the orange to counteract the pinkness of this red. It looks almost purple or maroon. I personally prefer warm tone reds on myself than cool tone reds. So this is definitely a cool tone. This is hopefully gonna warm it up a little bit. My hair down. I am wearing dark colors today because this kind of hair paint wax, it does transfer a little bit onto the clothes that you're wearing. Not massively, it doesn't stain in my experience. Don't take my word for it, but I've only ever used it with black before and it did not stain. So I'm gonna section my hair off because when I did this before I had patches and it didn't matter so much because I wasn't going anywhere, but this time I'm actually going places. I washed my hair yesterday and I used no products. If you have seen the video, tell me in the comment section down below. While I have all of my hair out of my face, I'm gonna do my base makeup just because my hair is out of my face right now. I know it looks very crazy. So I'm gonna use the Hangover 3-in-1 primer from Too Faced. And then I go in with some powder. Not too much. Okay, I look like Bellatrix Lestrange right now. Okay, so my foundation is the KVD True Portrait Foundation. My shade is medium 051. This part is annoying me. Now I can go ahead and start applying this. I'm really excited, quite scared. So we have some red. I really don't know how much I'm supposed to use. I've not done this in so long. And last time I did this, I'm pretty sure I did it on wet hair. But I had a lot of people telling me that this actually works best if you do it on dry hair. Okay, it's looking quite pink and definitely not very bright. Sticky. Okay, right. I'm gonna make my hair wet and I'm gonna start this again. I prefer it better. Wait, but then that comes out so brightly. What is going on? Why is that so bright but it's not bright here? I don't know what's happening. Next attempt. I've just wet these pieces of my hair. I've tried to take some of that oil out to see if that helps. I definitely like how it feels going through my hair better. I think maybe I need to get rid of some more of the oil that was in my hair. Like, I think it's just not, it just doesn't want to go on my hair, does it? Do you think maybe it needs to oxidize? I'm gonna put my little scientist cap on. Maybe it's that. Alright, I'm gonna take down the next section. I'm not gonna wet this section. And I actually don't want this too close to my scalp because it looks really fake when it's too close to your scalp. Like, sometimes it accidentally gets on your scalp and it's really hard to get off. So I don't want that to happen. Okay, we're actually getting some colour now. Yay! However, I feel like this might make my hair really stringy. Not red enough for my liking, but red enough. And now let's do this little section right here. Oh my gosh, actually next to my face it looks pretty red, doesn't it? Oh my gosh. Ooh, pretty, pretty red. Oh no. I hope I don't fall. Oh no. Okay, hair has been redified and now I'm ready to move on to the rest of the makeup. Oh, there's red on my nose! Oh my god, it gets everywhere. Could definitely have done with brightening my under eye better than that before I started to bake it, couldn't I? Okay, going in with my favourite bronzer right now, which is the NARS Laguna. I'm gonna sweep that onto my cheekbones, make myself not look so pale. I definitely need warming up because this is very cool toned. Like I said, I'm naturally very warm toned. I don't like being cooled down. My blusher is the Bare Minerals Peachy Keen. It's called peachy, but I don't think it's very peachy. To me, that is very pink. More on the cool side of pink. You can see it matches the hair quite well. So we're going with that. If it was peachy, I think it wouldn't really match very well. But like I said, I think it's actually just more pinkish than peachy. You tell me, you can see what's going on. I'm going with that all over because this is a Christmas look. And I want to look nice and rosy. Oh, my nose. Maybe a little bit overboard on the nose. Don't care, it's festive. Oh no. That's no good, is it? Blimey. You would think, I think, when did I first start contouring? I was at uni when I first started contouring. And I started contouring my nose and I started with a black eyeshadow. It must have stood out like a sore thumb because my friend said, "Did you contour your nose today?" I was like, yes, I did, with a black eyeshadow. Those were some dark days. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Although for the life of me, I cannot find my eyebrow gel. There's two gels that I use and they're big, huge tubs and I can't find either one of them anywhere. Which is so annoying. I actually went looking for them and I just could not find them. I'm gonna even use a different gel, a little bit white, and I'm hoping it doesn't leave any white residue. And I'm going to use that to paint over my whole eyelid and brighten this entire area. Okay, so I need to decide exactly what my eye look is gonna be. This obviously came out a lot more purpley pinky than I was expecting, and luckily I do have some colours that are suitable for that, I think. I'm actually going to use a lot of the Revolution palette today, and I think they've got me covered. They have this one, I can add a pop of brightness with this one.
A few moments later.
It looks very pink, exceedingly pink. This is so pink. It's not supposed to be pink at all. I don't want to go pink because this isn't supposed to be a pink look. So I'm going to go in with a little bit. The trouble is, if you do a little bit, then it just looks very like basic. I think last time I was trying to make it like quite dramatic, but I don't have the right colours. So if I want to make it as bold and pigmented as I originally wanted it, this would literally be like a pinky purple look, just so that all the colours matched. But if I just make it a bit softer, then maybe, just maybe, we can actually make this look a bit more Christmassy. I want to warm everything up. I want to give it a bit more of sparkle by using some Christmas colours. So I'm going to use gold over here. Very Christmassy, isn't it? Just going to give myself a bit of shadow in the outer corner. Make it a little bit smoky. Get rid of all of this. All it is. All it is. This is not the original lipstick that I wanted to use at all. This is actually very purple. I don't think I want to wear this, but it matches the hair really well. No, that is so purple. No. This is actually the original one that I wanted to wear if this look had gone to plan. NARS Intrigue. It's so pretty. But as you can see, it does not go with the look. And I think I've found the one that I want to wear with this look. This is the Best Berries. It's a little combo lipstick set. Oh, it's very berry. Okay, the application was terrible, but you guys get the picture. I'm gonna fix it up, don't you worry. They have this lighter shade that I would like to take into the middle. Just give my lips a bit more dimension for this look. Now I think with my eyes being so bare and my lips being so bold, now I should put on some eyeliner to balance everything out. So I'm gonna do a very, very thin wind eyeliner. Very small, very thin, just like my ex. Okay, so I'm also gonna take this a little bit into my inner corner as well, to give a little bit of a fox eye. Not too bad. Not too shabby. Okay, now I'm just gonna darken up my under eye. Ooh, girl, we getting somewhere. Not gonna lie, it had us in the first half. Had us in the first half. I didn't think anything was gonna happen with this, but we managed to kind of pull something out of the bag here. I'm adding a little bit more shimmer. in my inner corner. Okay, so I'm gonna put some lashes on real quick. I think we did it. I'm so glad that this turned out nice because my wash and go yesterday was really nice and I would have worn that all week if I didn't need to film another video. So I was kind of like, this better turn out nice, otherwise I'm gonna waste a wash and go. But look, it turned out nice. Is this festive enough for you? I feel like I'm happy with my makeup, I'm happy with all of it. Yay! Okay, so there you finally have it. That is my festive red transformation complete. It's very touch and go. They had us in the first half. I really didn't think that this was going to turn into anything bomb diggity like this. Yeah, the colour isn't as bright as what I thought it would be, but you know what? It actually came out alright. The overall look ended up looking pretty festive like I wanted it to. We managed to turn this shambles into a whole look. I am shook. So I really hope that you liked it as well. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Also tell me in the comments, what do you want to see next? Do you want to see more of these? Like, do you want to see different colors? Like, what do you want to see? Yeah, and tell me if you're excited for Christmas and what you are going to do to get into the festive mood. Make sure you get me on Instagram because I'm always over there. Also subscribe, turn on your notifications so you don't miss my next upload, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.